How to fix Instagram bio link. Hello guys, in this short tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram bio link in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do guys is very simple. Just open the Play Store on your Android phone or your App Store, and then here as you can see we'll find this option. It's called update. Just click on it to update your Instagram if you don't have the latest version. After that, go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager, and here on this page you will find many apps. All what you have to do is scroll down until you find Instagram. After you find it, click here on force stop and then go to the permissions. Right here on the permissions page you need to enable all the permissions and then go back and click on open by default. This is very important step. Go to open supported links in the app and make sure to make it on always allow. And now go back, click on the power usage details and then enable the power consumption alert and disable it again and enable it again like this. Now all what you have to do is go back and go to the wireless and networks, and now enable the airplane mode and disable it again. After that, restart your phone and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.